Alright, I'm heading in. I'll dig up what I can on Siska.
We're about to go to battle with these fuckers. I need anything shady you can find. If we want to pick up followers, we need to generate some serious outrage.
Can't we just make something up?
If we get caught lying, everything else DedSec ever claimed will be called a lie. Don't worry. If they've shit the bed, I'll find the dirty sheets.
And in comes Marcus with the classy metaphor.
I aim to please.
What is going on here?
Wait, what was that? What the hell?
Is there any truth to what the protesters are saying? I doubt it, but I don't listen to what they have to say. See, every time you do something positive in life, there's a negative reaction. A balance that must be. They're the negative reaction. So, in a way, it's good to see them out there. It confirms we're on the right path. Huh, I like that. So, I owe you a check, right?
There's an upfront donation.
I know what you're saying, Mr. Todd.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I'll see that. How much do they usually...
It's not my place to say, but the more you put in, the more you get out.
Our biggest donors are...
Got an operative down! Spread out. Whoa! Come on! Give me a real challenge! Look, we'll notify the SFPD. They can handle it from here.
Oh my god! What? No. Oh yeah, great. This is so unbelievable. I don't even know where to begin.
down?
Let's track this guy down!
You're only making things worse! Looks clear. I'm gonna check another area. Come on, give yourself up! Clear, gonna move on. Give it up! What? Hang on. Come out, give up! Keep your eyes open!
We lost him, I'm calling it. I'll put him down!
Please, no! Oh my...
There are no coincidences.
Pull back! Don't let him get
Check the area.
Come out with your hands up! Clear, move on. Give it up!
Be advised, we have reports of previously identified target near your location. Over.
Please just don't let me get hurt. He was there earlier. Check it out.
Wow. I had no idea. No, I don't think so. Today or tomorrow? Why are you here?
Track him down.
Damn, dead set.
What you got, hacker?
What's going on?
We got an intruder. He took me out. Spread out. Find him. Keep your eyes open. Somebody knocked me down. Get out there.
Seeking confirmation.
Fuck, this is embarrassing.
Fuck this. You're only making things worse. I got jumped. Be
Oh
on
my
the lookout.
God!
Let's set a perimeter. Go. Come on, give yourself up. Area clear. Keep your eyes open.
Van out, find him!
Give it up.
Yeah, he's gone. We're shutting down here.
Spread out.
Van out, find him!
It's clear. Moving on. You're only making things worse.
I don't trust anybody. I don't trust them at all.
Come out with your hands up.
I posted a picture on there and
You're only making things worse.
what would they do with that?
Everyone's talking about it. I mean, like everyone.
This doesn't end in violence.
What?
Stay alert.
Looks like he slipped by. Better call it in.
That's good. Get off. Nobody go. Find it. Head over that way.
I have an alert on a possible target near your location. Over.
I need some cover. I'm going to check. Where's my backup? I need some cover. Need cover.
No. No, please.
Track him down!
Guys, I think we can use Siska as an ally. The man's in big trouble with the church. They're even planning an emergency audit.
Audit? They're after his money.
Of course they are, but this is something different. They wire themselves up to these bullshit electronic doohickeys and play psychiatrist with each other. It's cute.
Siska's waiting for the auditor to show, but he's gonna get me instead.
Are you serious? You're gonna wing it.
So gonna wing it. First, I have to delay the real auditor. He's gonna get a call from Jimmy Siska.
Yes, guys, you have to hear his Jimmy Siska impression. It's ridiculous.
I don't have time now. I'll be in touch.
Hello?
Jason, I heard you're coming for an audit today.
Jimmy! Right. I was just about to leave. How's it going?
Not good. I think I ate one too many empanadas, my friend. My stomach is way too unstable for a session, if you catch my drift.
Yeah. Yeah, I get you.
Violent diarrhea.
Yes, I understand. Can we reschedule?
Yeah, we're gonna have to. I took a handful of chewables. I'll give you a call back soon, I promise. We good?
We're cool. You take care of yourself, Jimmy.
Working on it.
Yikes, did I call police?
Hey, Ghoul, what's up?
I managed to snatch some new Dawn clothes for you. Gotta look the part, right?
Nice, thanks, man.
No worries. Give him hell.
Yes?
Hi, I'm Jason Lowell.
Huh.
I'm here for your audit.
Okay, Jason Lowell. I hear you're the best. Come on in.
Thank you for the hospitality. Please. All right, let's get started, huh? My sources tell me that you've been having some doubts about the church. I want you to tell me about that.
Doubts. Well, doubts is it's a strong word. I'm not as inspired as I used to be.
Jimmy, step up. Don't hide things from us.
You're right. Okay, there are rumors about this place where they take church members who are having issues, and they don't come back for a really long time, if they come back at all.
I've heard these rumors, and guess what? They're just rumors.
But that's it? I'm not in trouble?
For telling the truth? No.
Thank you. I promise you will not regret this.
Well, look, one last thing. I really need to get to the heart of this rumor, so do they say where this imaginary camp might be?
I don't know. I hope I never find out.
Well, does it have a name?
The Red Room. They called it the Red Room.
Oh, yeah, man. And one last thing, man. Like, your last 5 movies have been just disappointing as shit, so act better. All right, keep your chin up. Peace!